Are you drowning in a sea of photos and feeling overwhelmed? Whether it's digital clutter or stacks of old albums, it can be a lot to handle. So let me start you on your journey to photo minimalism. I get it. Photos can be overwhelming. We take so many. So maybe it's time to think minimalistic for your photo collection. And stick around until the end because I'll share my game-changing tip on how to make your curated collection more meaningful and easier to enjoy. Let's get started. The benefits of a minimalist photo collection. Before we jump into the how-to, let's talk about the benefits of curating a minimalist photo collection. Less is more, especially when it comes to your photos. A minimalist collection helps you focus on the most meaningful moments and reduces the overwhelm of endless scrolling. It also makes organizing and finding your specific photos much easier. Plus, you'll free up storage space, both digitally and physically. Minimalism isn't about getting rid of everything, it's about keeping what's essential and beautiful. Step 1. Declutter your digital photos. Let's start with decluttering your digital photos. This is often the most overwhelming part, but trust me, it's worth it. Create a backup. Before you start deleting, create a full backup of your photos. Use an external hard drive or a cloud service like Google Photos, OneDrive, or Dropbox. This ensures you don't accidentally lose something really important. Set criteria for keeping your photos. Decide what stays and what goes. Ask yourself, does this photo make me happy? Is it unique? Is it a clear, good quality image? If not, consider letting it go. Sort and delete. Go through your photos chronologically if you want, but I like to focus on key areas like holidays, events, or special days, as then you won't get bogged down in a load of screenshots or recipes or accidental pictures of your bag. You know you have them. Use your criteria to decide what to keep, and then also delete duplicates, blurry shots, and photos that you just don't like. It might feel tough at first, but you'll feel lighter with every deletion. Organize the keepers. Once you've decluttered, organize the remaining photos into meaningful categories, like family events, vacations, or milestones. Use folders or albums to keep them super tidy. Step 2. Declutter your physical photos. Now on to decluttering your physical photos. This includes printed photos, albums, and even old negatives. Gather all your photos. Yes, do a bit of a hunt and gather. Bring all your physical photos together in one place. This gives you a clear idea of what you have. Sort by theme or date. Start sorting your photos based on theme or date. This helps you see if you have duplicates or similar shots. I like to use the ABCs of photo organizing that you can find out all about in this video up here. Decide what to keep. Use the same criteria that you did with digital photos. Keep only the best, most meaningful shots. Consider letting go of photos that are duplicates, poor quality, or just don't evoke positive memories. Digitize important photos. For photos you want to keep but not necessarily store physically, consider digitizing them. This can free up space while keeping your memories accessible. And if all this seems a bit overwhelming, then check out my favorite channel about getting your physical photos sorted from my mate Rhoda over at Dig Your Photos. Check out her channel by clicking up here. Step 3. Focus on meaningful moments. A minimalist photo collection is all about focusing on meaningful moments. Instead of holding on to every photo, select the ones that tell a story or capture a special moment. So, here are just a few things to think about. Quality over quantity. Prioritize quality over quantity. It can be so easy to take 10 shots of the same group to make sure everyone looks great, especially in the digital world. But one single great photo can be more impactful than a dozen mediocre ones. Tell a story. Choose photos that together tell the story of an event or a time in your life. This makes your collection more cohesive and meaningful. You could always add audio to explain your finished collection to tell the stories that go with each image. It would make an amazing addition to your collection. Create a highlight reel. Consider creating a digital or physical album of your favorite photos, a sort of highlight reel. This can be a great way to showcase the best moments without overwhelming yourself with too many images. And if you have a smart TV, what a great screensaver that would be. Step 4. Maintaining your minimalist collection. Once you've created your collection, it is essential to maintain it because I'm under no illusion that you're simply not going to take any more photos. No, you are. So, regularly review. Set a schedule to regularly review and declutter your photos. I like to go for regular and often, like every month or after you have returned from a big trip. This helps you stay on top of new additions and ensures your collection remains streamlined. Create a backup routine. Regularly back up your collection, both digital and physical. This ensures that your memories are safe and secure because you don't want all your hard work to go to waste. How to make your curated collection more meaningful and easier to enjoy. We are all taking way more pictures than we did in the world of physical photos, but we can go back to those days to make our collections more meaningful. When taking new photos, be mindful. Take fewer, more intentional shots. This will make future decluttering easier and keep your collection focused on quality. When was the last time you looked at those pictures of fireworks that you took at New Year? Yep, they're bad and you never look at them. Be honest. And there you have it. By decluttering and simplifying your photo collection, you can focus on the moments that matter the most. A minimalist approach not only makes your collection easier to manage, but also allows you to cherish your memories more deeply. Remember, it's not about having fewer photos, it's about having the right ones. Are you unsure about how to back up your photos? Then check out this other video here, all about how to create a backup strategy for your photo collection. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on photo organizing. Have fun rediscovering your memories. I'll see you in my next video.